It was one such dreaded bus ride on the night of December 16th, exactly a year ago. A bus ride which exposed the vulnerability of women in the national capital. A bus ride which changed the narrative and brought the much required nation's attention towards security of women. Now, a year on, we look back at the rape that changed the country. It wasn't the first time a rape had been committed, wasn't the first time a nation was outraged, but for once, things changed. She was a young paramedic travelling back home with a friend when 6 men brutally raped her on a bus. Her only fault, she was a woman. Her injuries so brutal, she succumbed to her injuries 13 days after at Mount Elizabeth Hospital in Singapore. Post her death, India swung into action. Better policing, speedy justice, improved provisions in the law, and crucially, a nationwide awareness drive to stop violence against women.
और आँख मिला के देखो तो पिछवाड़े दुम दबाते हैं, उन 6 में शामिल तुम भी थे, ये काम तो है हम दर्दों का। मानी मेरी मैं नहीं डरना, तेरे वर्गा में नहीं पढ़ना, मानी मेरी मैं नहीं डरना।
लेकिन अभी जो गाना हम लोगों ने गाया यहाँ पर सबने लोगों ने मिलकर, समझ में आया क्या सबको? किस-किस को समझ में आया?
This message now being brought to the remotest corners of the national capital. This neglected and run-down JJ colony in Bilaswa village on the banks of Yamuna is suddenly abuzz with music and activity. Group of enthusiasts, young men and women have travelled to this part of the capital to talk to the locals here about women's rights and instill confidence in women to say no to any form of sexual assault or abuse, marital or otherwise.
हमारे पास तो जो तरीका है, हम लोग तो म्यूजिशियन हैं, हमारे पास तरीका यही है कि हम गाना गा के इश्यूज को जितना ज़्यादा समझा सके, जितना क्लैरिफाई कर सके। मर्दों को समझाना ज़रूरी है, लेकिन शायद बहुत बचपन से, क्योंकि अब इस समय तो उनको बेसिकली डंडा ही काम आएगा।
बस सही होना चाहिए, आदमी औरत का और चलने से अपना सही नेचर रखना चाहिए अपना, बस।
तो ये कह रहे हैं पुष्पा जी, ये बात कह रहे हैं कि लड़कियों का पहनावा है जिसकी वजह से लड़कों को नियत खराब होता है।
ऐसा गलत कपड़े पहनते हैं,
गलत कपड़े। अच्छा, इस कमी जो 5 साल की बच्ची की जो बात कर रही है, बच्ची है इसका नहीं तो आप
इसको तो मालूम है
नहीं,
ले लड़की को बाहर आना जाना है, लेकिन फालतू घूमना नहीं है, जितना इतना जाओ जितना काम हो तुम्हारे को, बस।
और यह 18.5 गज का, ये हमारी पूरी दुनिया इसमें सिमट के रहनी चाहिए, मतलब।
Pushpa, a local from the colony, has been campaigning for women's rights for several years now. She feels things have changed since December 16th, but it's only the beginning.
यही भला 100 में 2-3 लोग लड़कियों को, छोटे-छोटे बच्चों को रेप हो गए, तो वो जो चीज़ है ना बढ़ रही है। हाँ, थोड़ा हाईलाइट तो होना लगा है,
टाइम लगेगा,
बहुत टाइम लगेगा, इतना आसान नहीं है।
3.5 साल पहले डिसाइड कर लिया था कि हम ऐसे इश्यूज पे काम करेंगे जो सोसाइटी के अंदर से आते हैं, लेकिन एटलीस्ट ये है कि सोसाइटी को ये पता चल गया कि ये गलत है। हाँ, ये गलत है।
Change can already be seen in this affluent school in Indrapuram. Class 5 students are performing a Nukkad Natak to stop gender discrimination, this one inspired by Gulabi Gang, a group of women vigilants and activists.
हमें अगर कोई लड़की को छेड़े, हमें उस तुरंत पुलिस स्टेशन या फिर महिलाओं के पास जाना चाहिए, जो पुलिस वाले होते हैं उनके पास जाना चाहिए। अगर वो कॉप्स के पास, हाँ, विमेन कॉप्स के पास अगर पुलिस ना सुने तो वुमेन कॉप्स के पास जाना बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है।
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें तभी शोर मचाना चाहिए ताकि लोग इकट्ठे हो जाएं और फिर हम प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
ये मैसेज मैं देना चाहूँगी कि जुर्म करने से बड़ा जुर्म है उसे सहना।
They did ask us the meaning of rape, which they are too small to understand, but in our own ways we made them understand. That's what we were discussing. It's a topic that is being discussed openly at home, which was prohibited earlier on to be discussing it so openly. But of course, when it's there everywhere, the parents are also trying to sensitize their children towards this issue.
Even in a middle-class home, the conspiracy of silence has been broken.
Entire thing of a girl getting raped and the taboo of it, and the family trying to hide it, and everyone around her trying to hide it, that it's something shameful for her, I think that mindset is changing.
Words like rape, sexual assault or molestation do not encounter furrowed brows anymore.
Discuss it among our friends. Everybody in class is talking about it. Everybody in school actually. Because discussions do help, because then people are so shy about it. Each time anybody would say a word like that, you go like, oh, you can't say that, it's not a good word. But now people are using it in class now.
Yeah, I know, I talk to my daughters about this, that you can never ever let the slightest thing just go, that it's okay. Maybe it happened because of this, maybe there is no justification, there is no reasoning. And you have to speak up. You have to, if there's, and I've told them clearly that I don't care who it is. It can be the closest person you feel that that person is really close to me. And therefore you're feeling that, maybe you're thinking wrong. But no, that's not the case at all. You will be thinking right and you have done nothing wrong. And never be afraid of speaking up for the right thing.
In her death, the young paramedic student united a nation, gave India courage and hope to act and to act fast. Girls are now speaking up and speaking out, be it against a former Supreme Court judge or an editor of a high-profile magazine. The Delhi police, which had been under attack for their insensitivity towards women's safety and security, has begun sensitizing its ranks. New and improved CCTV cameras, better equipped police PCR vans and compulsory sensitization classes were held. As a result, reported crimes against women in Delhi shot up by over 70% this year compared to 2012. More cases being reported meant women were shunning the fear of stigma and parental and social pressures that forced them to stay mum. The number of rape cases this year has doubled. Until October 2013, 1,330 rape cases had been lodged against 590 registered during the same period last year. Also, cases of molestation and eve-teasing have gone up manifold compared to 2012. While 727 molestation cases were registered in 2012, the number this year until just October was 2,844.
Number of absolute rise in the cases against the women, it only shows that they have the confidence in coming forward and reporting what has been suffered by them. It's one of the probably sure indicator that they are reposing more faith and more confidence in us. All the areas where rape cases are reported, they are the slum clusters from where the maximum cases have been reported to us, and we are doing it. And we are cutting across this kind of barrier of, jurisdiction or educational pattern or income group and all. I mean, a woman is a woman, that's all.